Casey's dog, and welcome to episode 2 of Casey and Dog. I just wanted to thank you for all the support on episode 1. Without further ado, let's get on to this video. Go! Hey guys, right now I am getting Cooper ready for his walk. And right now my parents still need to get ready. So we are going to be going outside now. Right now we're taking Cooper down the street. Good boy. Now we're on a hill going up the hill. I'm going to ride up Casey now up the faster. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Back up the hill. Ready, Cooper? Oh, he's being. Okay, go home and do it. He's doing good. Jump, Cooper. Okay. Right now, I just let Cooper out, and he is running like a psychopath. I'm not going to be out here for too long because it's literally freezing, and I have to wear mittens to hold this. So, yeah. But we're just going to see what Cooper does. It's freezing. Oh. Oh. Did you guys hear that? It was like a massive breeze, and I think I just literally died. I might not be able to film any more today outside just because it's so cold. I'll try to, but okay, Cooper's taking a poo. My God, there's so much poo here. Cooper, can you explain this? Please, explain this. Look at that. Look at that little face. Now we are going to go bring him inside. Cooper, come on. I'm trying to get all the footage I can of him. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please subscribe and drop a like down below. Also, comment what you'd like to see in the next episode. Bye, guys!